so last chance. Anybody have any questions on this?
No.
So when you do any of these, make sure you write like a J and a C for Jason Clare. Fill in what you know. Solve it. Remember, C is your how much they're going to pay. Okay? Which one of these looks the hardest?
3.
3?
No, 4.
4. I'm hearing 3 and I'm hearing 4. All right, so 3. Are you just saying 3 because it has more numbers?
No, 4. Yeah, we're doing 4.
Do 4? Okay. So, on the one on the left, how many x's do you got?
-2.
You got 2 x's. Is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Now, do we have positive ones or negative ones? How many?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I thought you were talking about the x's.
Okay. The other side. Do I have positive x's or negative x's? How many?
4.
Do I have negative ones or positive ones?
Negative.
How many?
3.
Do y'all see how we did that? That's it. And then we solve it. So what's my first step for solving?
Find your smallest x.
Draw your line. Then what?
Find
Do something before finding my lowest x. What do I? Box your x's. That way you know what you're dealing with. Do I have numbers on each sides of those? All right, so let's find our smallest one, which is what? So what's the opposite of negative 2? If you are not sure, remember, you can always put those, put those two together and see if it equals 0. Remember to drop down everything else. So I'm left with 5 is equal to 6x minus 3. Now what? What's my next step that I do?
Box your x.
Box my x.
And then you add 3.
Yeah, because I don't want to mess with my box, so let's go ahead and add 3. All right, now what?
Then you divide it.
Now, instead of actually dividing this, go ahead and do alpha y equals in your calculator and put 8 over 6 and tell me what you get.
4 over 3.
4 over 3. That will be your answer, not a decimal, just your stuff.
You did it
Go ahead and clear it for him. I was not here yesterday to fuss. I'm going to tell you right now, y'all are probably about to have to show me that, yes, you did push RAM cleared. That would have prevented people from losing their calculator for 2 days. So have mercy on your people. Clear the calculator for them. I'll get them later because y'all are going to have to show me that, yes, you cleared it since we do have 5 minutes. Yeah, I wasn't here yesterday. That's part of the reason why. Okay, so any questions on this? Y'all want to see one more?
Yes.
Which one?
3.
3? I mean, you could do number 3, you can do number 1. Tree? Okay. Do I have positive x's or negative x's on the left?
Positive.
How many?
3.
And by the way, if you check your answer, you should get the same thing when you do it on both sides. (16) minus 9/3, so that should be 7/3. Negative 8/3 plus 15/3, 7/3. And yes, you do get the same thing. So always make sure you are checking. That way you know you're right. All right, number 3. So do I have positive ones or negative ones? Negative, how many? 4. Other side, positive x and negative x. Positive. Negative ones or positive ones? How many?
4.
He hasn't saved, and I see more than 4 there. All right, now it's my next step. Draw your line, box your x's. I'm fine with either one of those being done first. That way you do not mess with your boxes. Obviously, you need boxes on one side and numbers on the other. So, which one's my smallest x? Yeah, just the x. So if I had 3 x's and I took away an x, how many do I got?
2x.
Yeah. 2x, make sure you drop down everything else. Now what?
You box your
Box your X.
Box your x. And
Do plus 4.
plus 4, plus 4. I'm left with 2x equals 11. Now what? Divide by 2, divide by 2. And if you put that in your calculator under x, alpha y equals and 1, you should actually keep it as 11 over 2. Sir.
Wasn't this
Oh,
supposed to be
yeah,
negative?
7's supposed to be negative.
Yeah.
Ooh, it was.
Oh yeah.
Good catch. Good catch. We got Tristan with our first ticket for catching Miss Garrett in an error.
Oh yeah.
Good job. All right, so you should have negative 3 over 2.
Yeah, I got that. So smart.
So x is equal to negative 3 over 2. So do double check this. So let's see here. If I do my math right, it should be negative 11 over 2 is equal to, hold on, maybe I didn't do that right, 13 over 2, sorry. 13 over 2 and negative 13 over 2. Did y'all get the same thing when you did your check in your calculator? Ryan, let me see your calculator because I'm seeing you nod, but I don't see a calculator being checked. Do not assume I'm right.
I'm right.
Double check me. I make errors. Am I right? All right, so you are getting on the computer. There is a match model activity that I'm putting up there right now. If you know how to do this, you're about to be able to show me you know how to do this on the page, on your computer. So, strong suggestion, make sure that you have stuff. When you get done, you can finish up anything else you owe me.